Hello everyone. So we are continuing from the same where we left in last video. Yesterday we did see that how we can verify multiple elements that should be visible. We have to verify it. So one of the element which we have done for the username. So today we will continue with the same that going forward with the password and the login button. It will be similar. You can go and create the new XPath, but as I mentioned that we have some approaches that we can do it. So now I'm going to here continue with the same one, creating the new web element over here for the password, and we will go for the new XPath. We will copy the same from the above which we have already created and just change the ID as we observed that there is change of password ID of particular element. We can copy it and verify it is reflecting or not. Let me check it. Yes, and it is obviously one of one. That means it is indicating same one of element and the XPath is correct. Similarly, we can go for the next element for the same one for the login button. Here we can create the new web element login button. Now we can check that what should be the value we can replace or how we can create the new XPath for the login button. It's as input tag is, but and the ID is login underscore button. We can update this ID. Okay. Now we are going to verify either the password text box has been displayed or not. We can copy the above code and change the values. Now as we want to verify this element, so here we can change the test case element. Instead of element, we are updating it username text box displayed, and we are updating it for the fail one as well. Instead of element, here we are going to update password text box, updating it with now for the last. Again we will copy and paste it here. We'll change the element web element. The new one is the login button, which we are going to verify whether login button has been reflected. Login button, login button, and at the last, after this, we can close the driver. That will let us know that okay, everything has been passed, and we will check the console. Let's execute it. So it is compiling on the runtime and checking the values and the errors. If there is hello world, that is the first console we have used. So it has been passed. Username text box displays passed. Password text box displayed passed. Login button displays passed, and the driver has closed. So now we will maximize our browser where we have open it After that, we can manage the window size, maximize. And we can write it down with the try catch as well as try. As this is the best practice, catch exception E. E is normally we use for the exception, whatever. And here we are printing the exception, whatever. We can add anything with the log just for the making sure what has been happened and where it has been happened. We can add the log unable to execute test. We will copy all this code and paste under the try and add here the mean exception just to handle all the exceptions. Now let me execute it again. So now it will be the differently execution. Browser will be maximized. Again, it is going to verify and on the runtime basis compiling it. So hello world has been initiated. That means the try has been initiated and see after maximizing the window of the browser, all the test case has been passed. Thank you very much. Waiting for your reply. How was it?